Hey everyone, welcome back to Angular 20 Bootcamp. Yesterday we have set up Angular 20 and built our first standalone component. Today we will unlock one of Angular's core parts, that is data binding, and built an interactive counter. What is data binding? Data binding allows you to connect with your TypeScript logic with your HTML UI. There are four types we will focus on today. Number 1, property binding. Number 2, interpolation. Number 3, event binding. And number 4, two-way data binding. Let's go step by step and create an counter app that uses all these four types. Let's create a standalone component. To create a component, we will give the command ng generate component. Component name would be counter, and we will set the flag standalone. This is very important to give this flag. So it will create a standalone component. So we got these four files: CSS, spec, and TS and HTML file. Now let's wire it up. Okay. Before writing any logic in this app-counter, let's resolve the dependency. So how to resolve the dependency? First we will import this into app.ts, the counter component, so that it will resolve the dependency. And we will copy this component in app.html file. This is our older example, hello world. Below this, we copied and pasted here. Now let's give the permission. Now we have resolved all the dependencies. Let's add the logic. To write the logic, we will do here, we will add interpolation and event binding. Let's declare a count variable. Count is equal to 0. We will write two methods, incremental and decremental logic. Increment count plus, okay, and decrement this dot count minus. So we have created these two methods. So this will add the value in the count, while I will explain it later on. So this will add the value and this will decrease the value. So that's why we have created these two methods. Now let's bind it into HTML file. How to bind? Let's remove this. We will use h2 tag counter. First we will bind count so that we can see the increment and decrement, and we will create two CTAs. CTS means button, plus and minus. Let's bind the event. Click event. I'll copy this. I'll copy this method decrement and paste it here. Okay. Now the logic is ready. Now this will show the interpolation, and this will show how we are handling the event. Let's visit. Okay. Now here we can see the increment and decrement of the counter value. Now see how two-way data binding works with input. First we will import forms module. Forms module. We will declare standalone here to resolve the dependency. Standalone true, and we have imported forms module. Let's declare one more value, that would be name. We will declare in the top, name is equal to empty. Here we will use input tag. The type would be text. Here we will use ngModel to perform the two-way data binding. So this is the syntax, ngModel. So we will use that variable, name variable here. Let me check. Yeah, name variable. Let's add the placeholder. Enter your name. Okay. Now we have to bind this variable outside of this input so that we can see two-way data binding is happening or not. Let's use the p tag. Mm, right inside it, your name, hello, hello, and interpolation name variable. So this is a two-way data binding using ngModel. It keeps the input and variable in sync. So here is the bonus tip. Use forms module carefully. Only import it where needed. Always testing two-way data binding by typing and seeing the live update. You can also create reusable inputs with input decorator. We will cover this in day 3. Awesome job! Today you learned and implemented Angular's powerful binding system using standalone component. Tomorrow in day 3, we will dive into directives and pipes that helps to control the DOM. If you are enjoying this series, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the rest of the bootcamp.